Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be making a blueberry pie. All you're going to need for this recipe is a pack of 2 pie crusts, wild blueberries, make sure they're wild, ground cinnamon, cornstarch, salt, and sugar. Then you are going to want a circular pie pan. Make sure to start, you preheat your oven to 375. Then you're going to want to mix 3/4 cup sugar with 3 tablespoons cornstarch, and a 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, with 1/4 teaspoon salt. Then you are going to want to mix this and sprinkle it over 4 cups of blueberries in a separate bowl. After you are done mixing your mixture very well, put it over these 4 cups of wild blueberries. Make sure you sprinkle it evenly. Then after you're done sprinkling it over the blueberries, you are going to want to put the pie crust, one of the pie crusts, on the bottom of the pie. Then you want to stir your sugar mixture with your blueberries so all the blueberries are coated with the sugar mixture. Then after you're done coating all your blueberries with your sugar mixture, you want to pour it in your pie crust. Spread them around evenly and then dot it with butter, just like this. After you are done dotting your butter on your blueberries, you want to cut a 1/2 to 3/4 strip in your other pie crust, just like this, so they can be laid on top of your other pie. Make sure you cut them all the way through. Then you are going to lay your pie crust strips on your pie, but make room in between the pie strips, that way so it looks pretty. And then we are going to lay some across the other way, just like this. This is my grandpa's recipe, and I'm really excited to eat it. Shove these little sides of the crust into the pie, that way so it looks nicer. Just like this. After that, you are going to put this in the oven for 50 minutes at 375. I'm sure there's a prettier way of laying these down, but it's my first time. Your pie should look like this when it comes out of the oven. Thanks for the recipe, Grandpa. Bye!